In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. Why can't I log in on X? If you're trying to log into your X account but you are unable, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to fix this, the first thing we need to do is to try and troubleshoot our X account. First, you want to ensure that you are trying to log in with the correct details, that is your email and password, or if you're logging in via Google, make sure you're using the correct email. However, if none of the above is an issue, then go to settings, and from settings go down to apps. Now under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. Tap on it, and this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for X, tap on it to open. Now from here, go to force stop and stop this by tapping on OK. Then go to clear data and clear cache. OK. And finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and then ensure you're not using any VPN. If you have any VPN app on your smartphone, this might be the reason you are experiencing this. You'll need to uninstall it or turn it off. Also, if you have any recently installed security app, uninstall it temporarily to see if this fixes your problem. Now, if you go to your X account, now everything should be running and now you should be able to log in without any issue. However, at this point, if you're still unable to log in, then most likely there might be an update from Google Play Store or App Store, of which you need to update your X account to the latest version. So search your app and then tap on it to open and update your app to the latest version. In most cases, now this should fix your problem. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.